welcome back to the new session of Science Class 2. Okay, and today we are going to explore the second chapter that is about uses of plants. Okay, so students, in this session, we are going to learn and understand the importance of plants in our daily life. Now, why do the plants are important to us? Because they provide you a variety of useful things which we commonly use in our daily routine activities. Okay, so in this session or in this chapter today, we are going to explore the things we get from the plants. Okay, see. So, first of all, student, you have to look at the pictures which are given to you and you have to write P for the food which we get from the plants. Okay, what you have to do? You have to write P for all the food items which we get from the plants. For the food, you have to write. So, if we talk about this, which is an apple, this we get from the plant only. So, we will write P for it. Okay, then this is what? This is carrot. Again, a food item which we get from plant. So we will write P for it. This is the milk which we get from animal, right? This is what? Cheese. Again, we get it from animal. This is mango, a fruit which we get from plant. So we write P for it. This is the logs of wood. This we get from the plant, but this is not the food item. Okay? We have to just write P for all those food items which we get from the plants. Right? Okay. Now, plants are very useful to us. As I told you. Why? Because they give us a lot of things. Lot of useful things. Some plants, see, some plants give us food. Okay? Secondly, some plants give us other useful things also. Then plants also make the air fresh, very important. They provide you the life supporting gas known as oxygen, which is dissolved in the air only. So, for making the air fresh and pure, the oxygen gas, which is also needed for our survival, for our breathing, that is also being given to us by the plants only. Along with that, we get food, fiber, medicine, perfume, oil, rubber, etc. from all what plants only. This fiber is written wrong. It should be this. Okay. And the most important thing which we get from the plant is oxygen. As I told you. Why? Because it is necessary for both, that is humans as well as animals. Okay? Now, so first of all, what does plant give us? They give us food. So does most of the food items which we eat, we get from plants only. Like we get food grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. All this we get from the plant. See, now we eat different parts of our plant. Okay, as we have discussed in our previous session also, the different parts of a plant. So students, we eat these different parts of a plant as a fruit or vegetable. Like if we talk about stem, so we eat the stems of some plants such as potato, sugarcane, onion, etc. All these plants stem are edible. Okay. If we talk about tomato, it is a fruit, not a vegetable. And we also eat tomato. Right. Next part of the plant which is edible for us, that is leaves also. Okay. Some plants have leaves which can be eaten as vegetables such as cabbage, lettuce, spinach, etc. All these plants leaves can be eaten by us as a vegetable. Then next we have what? Roots. Means some plants have such type of roots which can be eaten by us. Like we have carrot, radish, turnip. All of these are the roots of the plant which can be eaten. Okay. Next, we have flowers also. That is cauliflower and broccoli. Okay. These are the flowers of the plant which are eaten very commonly. Okay. Next, if we talk about fruits, so as we all know that plants give us fruits also, such as apple, mango, orange, banana, grapes, etc. All these fruits are given to us by the plants which are eaten. Next, we have seeds. So students, some plants seeds are also edible. Okay, we eat the seeds of some plants such as wheat, paddy, corn, barley, etc. All of these are the plants whose seeds are eaten by us. Okay, as a cereal or the food grains. See, we have given you that plants give us food grains also. Now, what are food grains? Such as wheat, rice, maize, barley, etc. These are what? These are food grains. And we get these food grains from the plants only, right? And these food grains are also known as cereals. Okay? Secondly, if we talk about pulses, so pulses also we get from the plants only. Like this is moong dal, arhar dal, kidney beans, and many more are there. These all are known as pulses which we get from the plants only. All right. Then what plant give us? Plant give us wood also. Okay. Some trees wood. We get wood from the trees like teak and shisham. These are the trees from which we get wood. And that wood is used to make doors, windows, bed, and furniture. Right? Also, from the wood, we make pencil, paper, and many other things. And if we talk about villages, in villages, this wood which we get from the plant, it is used as a fuel also. Okay? For the purpose of cooking. You can see this is a table, pencil, door. All these are made from the wood which we get from trees. Next plant give us fibers also. Okay. We get fiber from the plants of cotton and jute. Okay. If we talk about cotton, so this is the cotton plant. Okay. First of all, it is fiber. This fiber is spun to make threads. This cotton fiber, it is spun to make the threads. Okay. And then these threads are used to make different types of clothes. Okay. Then if we talk about jute plant, so jute is a type of plant also from which we get jute fiber. Okay. It provides you jute fiber. And then that jute fiber is used to make these different types of materials like rope, mat, sacks, etc. Okay. Now next, what plant give us? Plant give us dry fruits also. Okay, we get dry fruits also from the plants. And these dry fruits are very good for our health. Okay, we all must eat dry fruits. Why? Because they give us a lot of energy. For example, walnuts, cashew, almonds, kismis, all are some dry fruits. Next, other what we get is we get spices also from the plants. Okay, we get spices, for example, cumin seeds, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, etc. All of these are the different types of spices which we get from plants. Now, what does the spices do is spices enhance the taste of our food. Okay, by adding these spices to our food, the taste of the food item get enhanced, and also they add color to our foods. Okay. Next, what plant give us? They give us oil also. Means what? The seeds of some plants. Okay, the seeds of some plants like groundnut, mustard, sunflower, coconut, all these plant seeds are used to get oil. Okay, and then this oil is used in cooking, making soap, and other things also. In fact, we use the oil for our hair also. Okay, you can see this is the sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil. All right. Next, we get beverage from the plant oil. What are the beverages, students? Beverages are the liquids other than water, okay, which we commonly drink. See, like we get tea. Tea is also a beverage. From where do we get it? We get it from the dried leaves of tea plant. Tea plant leaves, when they are dried, they're used to make tea. Then coffee, again a beverage. It is obtained from the seeds of coffee plant. Okay. Then we get cocoa. Cocoa we get from the beans of the cocoa tree. Okay. And then this cocoa is the only substance which is used to make chocolate. All right. Now, next what we get? We get rubber, gum, perfume. All these materials we get from the plants only. Okay. They have given you that the wine juice of the rubber tree. Okay. Rubber tree have this, you can see this is a rubber tree from which we have got this wine juice. And through this juice only, we make what? Rubber. Then the juice of babool tree. There is a tree known as babool tree, and its juice is used to make or extract gum out of it. Okay. And then we get perfumes also from the flowers which have very pleasant fragrance like rose and jasmine. Done? Now, next we get what? Paper also from the plants. Therefore, it is said that safe paper, safe plants. Okay. See, bamboo plant. This is the bamboo tree. And this bamboo tree or the bamboo plants, they are used to make paper on which you write. Actually, the pulp of the bamboo tree, this bamboo tree, it is having pulp inside it, and that pulp is used to make paper. This is the paper which we get from the bamboo tree only. And bamboo tree is again a type of plant. Okay. Next, what we get? We get medicines also from the plants. Okay, we get medicines from plants like the leaves of neem and tulsi. Neem and tulsi are the type of plants whose leaves are used to cure diseases. Then we have kinkona tree. This is tulsi, this is neem. Okay, and then we have a type of tree known as kinkona. It is used to prepare quinine. Now, what is this quinine? Quinine is a type of medicine which is used to cure a very deadly disease known as malaria. Okay. Then we have turmeric, which is commonly used as a spice also, but it can be also used as a medicine. This is turmeric, which is known as haldi also. Amla fruit, again a kind of what? Plant which from which we can get medicine. Means what? There are some plants which have medicinal values also, and therefore they can be used to make medicines. Alright. Next, we have some other uses of plants. So these were the different uses. Now, apart from these, there are some other uses of plants also. Number one, the plants clean the air and make the surroundings beautiful because of their greenery. And they also make the air around us clean and pure. Then secondly, all living beings depend on plants only. Why? To get oxygen for their purpose of breathing. Third, plants providing food, plants provide food as shelter to the animals also and to the human beings also. And then the flowers and leaves of the plants are used for making decorative items also. There are some flowers or the leaves which can be used for making decorative items because of their beauty. Okay. So that's all for the chapter. This was the whole what importance of plants in our daily life, the variety of items which we have discussed in this session today, and we all get these items from the plants only. And now you can understand that how much useful and important the plants are to us. Okay, so therefore it is advised that we should save the plant, save the trees, we should plant more and more trees around us, and also we should save the useful materials which we get from the plants. Okay, so let's meet in the next session. Till then, keep going well, learn well, and thanks to everyone.